Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 launched, features 1.6-inch display and larger battery. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 leaked details surfaced online multiple times in the last few months and have now been spotted on Samsung's UAE website, revealing design, features, and color options. While the price remains unconfirmed, the smartwatch is listed in 3 colors: dark gray, pink, and white. Currently marked as out of stock, the Galaxy Fit 3 isn't available for online purchase, directing users to offline stores in the UAE. As per the Samsung Gulf listing, the Galaxy Fit 3 boasts a 1.6-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 256 by 402 pixels, a notable upgrade from the 1.1-inch AMOLED screen on its predecessor, the Galaxy Fit 2. The new model features an aluminum body, departing from the polycarbonate chassis of the Galaxy Fit 2. A quick-release button facilitates easy band changes, with separate sports bands available in dark green and orange, maintaining 5 ATM water resistance and IP68 dust and splash resistance. The Galaxy Fit 3 is compatible with Android 10.0 and later smartphones. Though specific processor details are unavailable, it reportedly comes with 16 MB RAM and 256 MB internal storage, running free RTOS, offering over 100 workout modes, a sleep tracker, step counting, heart rate monitoring, and blood oxygen level measurement. The smartwatch syncs data with the Samsung Health application. It includes a barometer for fall detection and emergency notifications, and displays pre-registered medical information on the lock screen. With a larger 208 mAh battery compared to the Galaxy Fit 2's 159 mAh, the Galaxy Fit 3 claims a battery life of up to 13 days on a single charge, with a 30-minute charging time from 0 to 65%. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 but lacking GPS, this smartwatch weighs 36.8 grams with the band, and the body alone weighs 18.5 grams, measuring 42.9 by 28.8 by 9.9 millimeters.